Hello friends, Mars Perseverance Sol 1555 must camera, must cam, hazard avoidance camera, has cam and navigation camera, nav cam. These images were taken by must cam, has cam and nav cam on board NASA's Mars Perseverance rover. Perseverance rover acquired most of these images on 5th July 2025. The 1555 Martin Day or soul of the Perseverance rover mission on Mars. All these image credits NASA, JPL, Caltech, MSSS. Let me tell you that a key objective for Perseverance mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for sign of ancient microbial life. The rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way for human exploration of the red planet, and be the first mission to collect and cache Martian rock sample. Subsequent NASA missions, in cooperation with ESA, would send spacecraft to Mars to collect these sealed samples from the surface and return them to Earth for in-depth analysis. The Mars 2020 Perseverance mission is part of NASA's Moon to Mars exploration approach, which includes Artemis mission to the Moon that will help prepare for human exploration of the red planet. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed for the agency by Caltech in Pasadena, California, built and manages operation of the Mars Perseverance rover. NASA's Perseverance rover is a key part of Mars 2020 mission exploring the Zero crater on Mars. Its primary goals are to search for signs of past microbial life, characterize the planet's geology and past climate, and collect and cache Martian rock sample for future return to Earth mission. The rover also carries the Ingenuity helicopter, which has successfully flown on the another planet. The Zero crater, a site believed to have once held lake and river system, making it a prime location to search for sign of past life. This mission launched on 30th July 2020. Let me tell you again that all these image credits NASA, JPL, Caltech, MSSS and Perseverance rover acquired most of these images on July 5th, 2025, the 1555th Martin Day or soul of the Perseverance rover mission on Mars.